Hey guys, my name is Pars Bansal and I want to take this time to welcome you to a brand new playlist, Microsoft SQL Server Development. This is a zero to hero playlist in Microsoft SQL database development and querying. And all the prerequisite for this is that you have a computer that is capable of running the technology that we are going to be using and a willingness to learn. Now in this we are gonna develop a small database, a practical enough database in the form of a school management system. And what we are going to learn along this journey is how to install and set up the SQL Server Management environment, how to create databases, query them, create tables, set up different objects. We are going to look at the things that would prepare you to be at least a database developer or a database administrator. Now this is going to be perfect for you if you are a beginner with absolutely no experience, or you have basic database operations knowledge, or you just want to refresh your knowledge, or maybe you are kind of using all the technology and you want to kind of advance in the technology. This playlist is for everyone. By the time you finish this, you would have moved around so much in this environment that you are going to become an expert with database concepts, database jargons, and how to execute with these newly learned things. You should be able to increase your marketability and your income, and of course impress everyone around you with all that said and done. So let's just quickly begin and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.